Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure two controllers are connected and active. This prevents delays once you enter the menu. Once done, sign the second controller into a local profile or guest account so the game can assign inputs. Then, go directly from the main menu to multiplayer and choose split screen. This is the first actionable step. Doing it now avoids toggling settings later and lets the system allocate player slots, which is why you want profiles ready before proceeding. Now you assign controllers to Player 1 and Player 2 and make any quick control mappings. You do this so both drivers have correct inputs and avoid surprises on track. Next, pick the race mode, practice, quick race, or a championship, because each mode affects session length and AI. Make sure to set screen split orientation, HUD scale, and driving assists for each player. These choices determine readability and fairness. If you want equal performance, match assists and difficulty, which keeps races. Finish by selecting cars, grid positions, and session length, then confirm to load the track. You'll see both halves populate as assets load. Once in, run a short practice lap to check steering, brakes, and HUD visibility. Recalibrate controls in settings if something feels off. If split screen does not initialize, try the key troubleshooting step. Power cycle the controllers, reassign them to profiles, and restart F124. This usually forces recognition and resolves most connection or profile conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.